So you're taking lottery tickets?
But I pay for some, but not all of them.
You pay for some, but not all of them. How long have you been working here?
2 weeks.
Oh, 2 weeks. There's $5,318 worth of tickets missing.
And you got a question.
7-Eleven store, Florida. Destiny employee, age 23, 2 weeks on the job. $5,318 in lottery tickets missing. 3 shifts, 1 suspect.
39 to 31. Hello.
Hello.
How you doing? Good, how you doing? Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
Are you Destiny?
Yes.
Can you come talk to me for a second? We'll go on the back.
Have you run you?
Okay, so I'm just gonna wait for this other officer and then. Okay. Good. All right, so you Destiny?
Yes.
Can you confirm your date of birth for me?
June 2nd, 2000.
Okay. So do you have any reason why we're here talking to you?
No, sir.
No reason at all? Okay. So it's been brought to our attention that on three different occasions that there are short some lottery tickets.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm going to read you your rights, okay? And then we'll go from there, okay?
Okay.
So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to have an attorney present now or anytime during questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed for you without cost. If you talk to me, you have the right to stop answering questions and speak to an attorney at any time. Do you understand each of these rights?
Yes.
Okay. So now knowing these rights, are you willing to speak to me and answer questions?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I have a question. Can I call? Okay.
Can you call who?
No, because the girl that's still with me.
Okay. So do you have any knowledge on what I'm talking about? Any missing?
Yes. Yes. I do.
So what's going on?
Like I'm not gonna lie. Sometimes I do get in all this room.
So you're taking lottery tickets?
But I pay for some, but not all of them.
You pay for some, but not all of them. Okay. How many would you say you've taken?
Not a lot, because I've been paying for most of them. I really do pay for them.
Okay. Have you had any winners?
Not all the time, no.
But you've had some?
Yeah, but it's most of them that I've done paid for. Like, I have receipts that I done paid for the majority of them at my house for real. I have receipts.
Okay. So on some of the tickets, you're scanning them, and then you're scratching off the barcode at the bottom, scanning them, and then taking money out of the register?
Not all. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So you don't know how many you've taken? No. Okay. Is there a reason you're doing it?
No, sir.
Are you hurting for money?
I mean, kind of, but...
I mean, I know we all are. Times are tough, but...
You can be honest. We're not here to yell at you or nothing. You can be totally honest with us. We're being 100%, so just be honest.
Just no real reason? Okay. How long have you been working here?
2 weeks.
Oh, 2 weeks. Okay. And so we have 3 dates in particular.
Mm-hmm.
Does that sound right? You don't know?
No.
Okay. So there's a lot of tickets missing. I'm going to be honest with you. Okay. So can you hold this for me a second?
Yep.
So on the 22nd, the lottery register is showing negative over $2,300.
See, I know I never got that.
Hold on, I'm sorry, I misspoke. On the 22nd, so this is face value. I'm not talking about cash that you've taken out of the register.
I never got over.
So the ticket value, okay, on the 22nd is over $1,200 worth of tickets. On the 23rd, there's over $1,700 worth of tickets, and then yesterday there's over $2,300 worth of tickets.
I never got over that much money for real.
No, I'm talking about tickets.
Oh, yeah,
so a ticket, for example, $50 per ticket. So that adds
Okay,
up. That
I see
adds
what
up.
you're saying.
So I'm not talking about cash. So
that you saying I stole over $2,300 over tickets? Basically, that's what I.
so there's
So
$5,318 worth of tickets missing.
and y'all saying
And they're all
I stole-
coming. They're all
and
coming.
They all like I stole all of them.
So what
That's
I'm
what you're saying.
so what I'm saying is based on numbers provided during your shift, second shift between 2 and 10. These are the numbers missing.
And it's all me basically. That's what you're saying.
So from what we're being told is you've been the only one here on second shift between 2 and 10. Is that correct?
Yes, but.
And then that's the amount showing missing for those 3 days.
But I know I did not. Wow, that is crazy.
But you have taken tickets without paying for
I
them.
haven't took all that amount. I'm be real. I know I haven't for real.
But you have taken tickets without paying for them, scratching them off, and cashing out,
Yes.
and keeping the change.
Not all. Yes.
I understand you're saying not all of them, but I'm asking you. That is the case. You just don't know. You don't know how many tickets you've taken. You don't know how much cash you've taken. But you okay. All right.
The scheme was simple. Destiny scanned lottery tickets, scratched the barcodes, and cashed out winning tickets at the register, pocketing the proceeds without paying face value for the tickets she used. The employer caught it through register shortfall reports. Ticket face value, not the winning payout, determines the theft amount. Under Florida Statute 812.014, $5,318 is a felony of the third degree. Before asking a single substantive question, the officer read Miranda. Under Miranda versus Arizona, 1966, custodial interrogation requires advisement before questioning begins. Destiny confirmed understanding and waived her rights. Everything she said after that point is admissible. Destiny made a partial admission on camera. I pay for some, but not all of them. Under Colorado versus Connelly, 1986, voluntary statements made after a valid Miranda waiver are admissible, regardless of the subject's personal circumstances. That one sentence established the core of the offense. The officer used rapport building before confronting the evidence. Times are tough, just be honest. This is a recognized interrogation technique lawful under Connelly. Persuasion is not coercion. Probable cause rested on 3 pillars. Register shortfall records on Destiny's shifts, store surveillance footage, and process of elimination. She was the only second shift employee on all 3 dates. Under Illinois versus Gates, 1983, that totality is sufficient for a felony arrest.
Do you have any questions for me?
I have a question. I want to.
I'm gonna be honest with you. Yes.
Okay, because can I call somebody because
So what I need
I'm not from down here.
So listen to me. Don't pull away from me.
Okay, I'm
It's gonna make it worse.
Hold on,
We'll explain
sir.
everything.
No,
Stop.
sir, listen.
You're gonna make it worse. You're
I'm
gonna
saying,
add
hold on.
resisting charges.
Listen, I'm not from down here. I don't have no people down
Let me.
here.
We will explain.
Oh my!
Don't make this worse.
Can y'all call?
Put your hands behind your back.
Wow, my baby is in daycare and I don't have nobody to pick her up. Can I call somebody, please?
Just give me a second, and I will explain
Oh
everything.
my god.
Can I have permission to pick her up?
Oh no, that's why I'm trying to call my baby daycare.
How old's your child?
She's 4. She's 5. She just turned 5 yesterday. Oh wow.
Are those too tight? Are they okay?
No, not really.
Can your roommate pick up your baby?
She's not on her list. That's why I'm trying to call her because she don't.
Who's on the list?
Only me. I'm not from down here. I just moved down here. I don't have no people down here at all.
39 o'clock.
Hmm?
I have 1 black female, 10-15. All right. So right now, you are being placed on arrest for. It's a felony charge for the dollar amount that was taken. So felony grand theft. That's what you're being charged with. Okay. Once you get down to the jail, once you get booked and processed, they will allow you to make a phone call.
But
What time does your daughter's school close?
her school closed at 5 o'clock.
At 5? Okay. If I were to call the school,
I'm trying to call the girl that have my car so she can tell them like I'm going to jail so she can pick my baby up.
so that's what I'm going to ask you.
Yes.
Do you think if I call the school?
But
So
I don't let them know I'm going to jail though. That's no.
Okay,
I'm
there
trying-
might not be any other reason. I mean, they might
I
not
know,
then
I'm
let.
trying to call the girl that have my car. That's what I'm trying to tell you, so she can know what's going on, because she don't know what's going on at all.
But he's trying to explain to you Are they going to allow her to pick up the kid because she's not on the list?
That's what I'm saying. If I call the school, they may allow it.
It's okay. Can you just call her? Yeah, that's her right there.
That's her?
Mm-hmm. You have to call 2 times. Okay, hang up and then call again.
So this isn't a big, long conversation. This is what's happening.
I understand. Come on. I gotta. Yeah.
Don't. I'm doing this I'm doing this for a favor for you. I don't have to do this.
Mm-hmm. Where you at? How far? Okay, because you have to tell her, girl, they taking me to jail. Hurry up and come up here, please. Cause I gotta. You at the light right by 7-Eleven? Alright, by the time I'm gonna be walking out, you'll probably be pulling up, hopefully. Alright.
Alright, we'll go this way.
I have a question.
Do you have anything else you need? Do you have a purse or anything?
I have a question. Do you know
We'll be right back.
Okay. What's your question?
will I have a bond?
A bond?
Yeah.
There will be, but I still know the exact amount at the second.
Come here.
You gotta take it to the car first.
Okay, Sakira, come to the car.
What do you need?
Huh?
What do you need?
It's
Because we need to
she
go.
got a baby.
I understand that.
Baby. Bro, who you on the phone? Oh, you calling me?
Yeah.
They got my phone.
Okay, Destiny, what you need me to do?
Okay, boom. I need you for one. You want to pick Tyler up from school.
I know that.
Okay,
What's your mama number?
I don't know her number by heart. 816.
Jerry number? I'm
You
gonna
got
be
her?
checking. I'm gonna push you out.
Yeah, I got
I'm gonna get your
Already
bond
not like
tonight. It's in your purse?
Can you see if there's a female officer or deputy
Huh?
that can
Hey,
put you
it's
six?
Tykeria. Destiny need to talk to you.
Ma, okay, so they gonna take me to jail, so I'm gonna call you when I get in there. Ma, I'm gonna tell you when I get to work. When I get to the jailhouse. Ma, it's okay.
I can do all that, Mom. I'ma make
You got
sure
your
all
ID and
that.
stuff?
Yes.
Alright, Ma, it's okay. Can you write her number down for me? Sakira, I need you.
All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You're about to get a resisting charge.
How?
Because we're
You don't
not.
understand. I have a child like the fuck, bitch. Y'all got me fucked.
And I just allowed you to speak to her, and you didn't mention anything about a child.
How?
You just called your mother.
I did. Yeah, I need my mama too. Bitch.
You
I gotta
did?
get funded
Okay.
out. Y'all got me
All right.
on another county.
So since you're gonna act like that, don't ask for any more favors.
Can you just hold me? Cause you touching me too tight for real. Like real shit.
You keep pulling away, so.
Okay, cause I'm supposed to go both ways.
I'm gonna go around this way.
Y'all both pulling me different ways. Can y'all hurry up and take me to the jail? Cause I'm pregnant and DC, and cause I know they're not fucking in the back. I already know my rights. Come on, granddad is police. I know these handcuffs not supposed to be in the back and I'm pregnant, but okay.
The officer receives an A-. Miranda delivered correctly before questioning. Evidence confrontation well sequenced. Phone call request ultimately accommodated good practice. Deduction. When Destiny disclosed pregnancy, no on-camera documentation of the handcuff review followed. That is a duty of care gap on the record. Destiny receives a D+. She admitted the core of the offense before the officer presented the full dollar figure. She did not invoke her right to silence or request counsel. Her claim that receipts at home would prove she paid for most tickets was never corroborated and does not negate the admitted unpaid takings. 7-Eleven management receives a B+. Register shortfall reports worked. Surveillance was available. The process of elimination was documented and clear. Deduction. 2 weeks passed before the pattern was flagged to police. Earlier review would have limited the total loss. 3 takeaways. 1. Miranda, before questioning, is non-negotiable. If a subject is in custody and you question them without advisement, every statement that follows risks suppression at trial. This officer got it right. 2. A partial admission is still an admission. I pay for some, but not all, is a confession to the core of the offense. Speaking without counsel routinely produces the strongest evidence against the person speaking. 3. Face value, not winning value, determines the charge. $5,000 in ticket face value is a felony. A winning payout is irrelevant to the calculation. That distinction is how a lottery ticket scheme becomes felony grand theft. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like analyzed in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.